Benefits of scallions. Full of fiber. A cup of cut scallions has about 10% of the fiber you need for the whole day. Getting lots of fiber helps you feel full, keeps your cholesterol levels down, and may lower your chances for diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Help fight cancer. Scallions and other allium vegetables may help block cancer growth, especially in the stomach. Researchers aren't sure how. They believe that a compound called allicin, which gives these vegetables their strong flavor, may prevent cells from turning cancerous or so tumors from spreading. Prevent infections. Extracts of onions, garlic, and their relatives have long been used as medicine. They can kill bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Lab tests on certain varieties of onions showed that at high enough concentrations, some can kill or slow the growth of Salmonella or E. coli. Lower disease risk. Vegetables in the onion group are packed with phytonutrients, including antioxidants that defend your cells against damage. Antioxidants in onions, like flavonoids and polyphenols, hunt down free radicals, which are substances that can lead to cancer, heart disease, and age-related diseases. Boost immunity. Scallions are a good source of vitamin C and a flavonoid called quercetin. Both can strengthen your immune system and help to fight illnesses. Scallion risks. Scallions are high in vitamin K, which works against blood-thinning medication. If you're taking warfarin to prevent strokes, heart attacks, or blood clots, ask your doctor if green onions are safe for you. It's rare, but some people can be allergic to onions and other alliums. You can find scallions in most grocery stores year-round. Here are some shopping tips. Pick scallions with crisp leaves and bright color. Trim the top and bottom tips and rinse with water. You can knead both the green and white parts. Store scallions in the fridge for maximum freshness. People often use scallions as a garnish on salads or stews, but you can enjoy them in lots of other ways. Grill them whole. Brush with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and grill them for a couple of minutes for a sweet, charred flavor. Puree them. Put cooked scallions in a blender and mix in eggs, flour, and a dash of soy sauce. They taste similar to scallion pancakes served at Korean restaurants. Tear them with asparagus. Next time you roast these spears in the oven, toss in some scallions too. The heat will temper the oniony bite and turn them into a delicious side dish. Caution: overuse can result in a range of complications, can produce allergic reactions, and can interact with other medications. You should check with your health care provider.